Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I need you to get into Moodle and find our journals 18 weeks 2. Once you're there, click Edit Submission. And today we're going to put in day 43, the vertical lift. When you're done with that, save your changes, and in a second you'll start the vertical lift project using Google Classroom. But I want to show you one more thing first. Back on the main page of Moodle is our awesome watering hole. I'm using the watering hole for our free print discussions right now because I like that every hour gets to see what the other hours post. So you can see I've got a post here where it says add a post about your module or the daily lesson. Like today it could be about your vertical lift project. You may also reply to somebody else's post as well. So you can see here Noah and Nate were talking about the races and sharing who was the winner. And I shared that they were both awesome. And eventually down here, I shared that Oliver won the free print. Now, yesterday, nobody posted, but that's what I want to fix. So when you're done with your cool stuff today or the things out in your module or even from home, share a post about what you did for a chance to win a free print. I guarantee you I'll pick at least one each day. Who knows, I may even pick more. And you can also get picked just because you give a cool, high-quality reply to one of your friends, neighbors in another class. So, thanks for watching. Let's get to work and see what kind of cool things we can make using the Fun Physics Simulator and our project for a vertical lift.